Welcome to the channel, to the workshop. Retro tech today. It's a bit rainy and miserable outside, so I've dug out another Walkman to rebuild. I've got two of these, but this is the one that's got a better condition case on it. So we're going to have a look at getting this one running. This is a Sony WM-36. I just quite liked it with the graphic equalizer and everything. So we'll do the usual. We'll get an overhead, we'll test it, we'll get some speakers set up onto it, make sure it's running in stereo, see what sound we're getting out of anything, see if it needs belts changing, and generally just give it a damn good clean and tidy. Overall, other than being a bit messy, it looks in quite a good nick. So let's transfer to the overhead, and yeah, let's have a play. Cheers. Okay, so here we go. So it's a Sony WM-36. It's in, it's messy. I bought it as part of a job lot. It just needs a damn good clean up, I think. The graphics on the front are in pretty reasonable condition for its age. It looks fairly clean inside. But first thing is, let's get some batteries in it. Let's see if it actually runs. Right. Got power and it's turning. That's quite good. That actually, it's quite yeah, it's got some drive on that. I think the belts are okay. Right, next job. Let's get it hooked up to some speakers. And we'll see if we've got stereo running on it. And see if the heads need clean, which they probably will do. We'll clean the heads anyway. I'll show a round of these. So into there, right out. And this one then goes into here, although that does look filthy in there. Just checking on this, it's got on this end, it's got options for normal cassette and metal cassette, on off for Dolby NR, 5 bandwidth, graphic equalizer, which is quite nice. Other than that, that's all it seems to have gotten. No auto reverse or anything like that. Just yeah, conventional play reverse, fast forward, stop, that kind of thing. Semi-metal case. This is metal. I think that's his plastic. I think the front one's metal. Right. Okay. Let's go get a cassette. What have we got here? We'll change that. We'll do this. Will do. Okay. I won't be able to put this on for very long because of their content hits. Let's where's the volume? Turn the volume up. Yep, we're running running sound, and we're running left and right channels, which is always a good start. It sounded like it was running at quite a good speed. I've even got another cassette I can put in there that I know a bit more. Let's have a look what we got. Okay, I've just grabbed a better cassette that I know the speed I listen to regularly, just to make sure it's not running slow. And I don't think that was all the way in either, so I can't play this for very long, obviously. Graphic equalizer band all works. It probably does need a clean from oxide. The head, I did grab my headset. I did grab my headset just to make sure how clear it was coming through. And again, the socket needs a clean out. But I'm really happy with that. It's running okay. There's no whether it speeds up, slows down, because the belt has become it's shaped around its pulleys and things like that. So that's good. So what I might do, I don't know if it's worth opening this up and actually having a look if we can get to the belt easy or not. I might change the belt anyway. No, you know what? I think I'll leave the belt for now. And if it starts playing up, we can do another video doing this one. And I don't know if you see this one. I have another one as well, and this one I know doesn't work, and this one does need a belt change. So I might do the belt change at the same time as this one. We might rebuild this one as well. But I think this just needs a damn good clean up. So I think we're just going to get on with that. I'll get me cleaning stuff out. Yeah, and we'll just give it a clean. I think it's just filthy. You can see the original colour there, can't you? It's just going a bit dull, I think, because it's been sat probably in a loft for God knows how many years. Right, let's clear this away, get the cleaning stuff out, get some what do you call it, contact cleaner in here and through all these. The inside is really clean, to be fair. But yeah, get some cleaning stuff on. Okay, we're going to start with some contact cleaner. A general clean over, we're going to use some elbow grease stuff. Brasso just to do the window, so a little smidgen. I'm going to do some touch-up painting with this. It's a Citadel paint, water-based. It might just tidy up some places, so let's see if we can. Nah, wrong colour. Wrong colour. Never mind. We'll get rid of that. I could do with getting silver paint, really. Right, so that turned out to be a bit of a quick refurb than I thought. So the belt is running absolutely fine. The case is cleaned up quite well, as you can see. I'll put that for a second. It's cleaned up really well, considering this is probably 30, 35 years old, if not more. The case is all right. So there's a couple of scuffs on the edges and things. What do you expect? It's been used, obviously, but generally it's in quite good condition. Everything works as it should do. So I've not changed the belt. I'm going to give it a test run, see what the sound quality is like, and if it sounds like you can hear it pulling and letting off, pulling it and letting off, like the belt's shaped, then I'll take it apart and we'll change the belt on it. But it sounds and feels absolutely spot on. Everything we say, everything works. So I might not be able to put it on for too long. I might get a content match, but you see, graphic equalizer all works. It does sound better through headphones, to be fair, but I've tested it. And I'll be testing it for the commute this week. And if it's good enough, it'll go into my collection of go-to Walkmans, which is getting quite extensive. I'm tempted to do a quick video on my Walkmans in future, just to go through the ones I've got, the ones that run, just to show what I actually use on a semi-regular basis commuting into the office. So anyway, this is a Sony Walkman WM-36. I'll do some close-up shots in a minute. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I do enjoy playing with some retro tech and get it up and running. But yeah, I'll do some close-up shots of it. Cheers.